Good day everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you this video tutorial regarding the basic key functions of a keyboard. A computer keyboard is a device that presses buttons or keys to insert characters and functions into a computer system. It's the most common way to type text. Individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for specialized operations, are usually found on the keyboard. Buttons on your keyboard are called keys. The keys on the keyboard are divided into several groups based on their functions. There are 5 types of keys. These are the number 1, typing keys, or the alphanumeric keys. These keys include the letters from A to Z, numbers, punctuations, and symbol keys found on a traditional typewriter. Number 2, the control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. The most frequently used control keys are Control, Alt, the Windows logo key, and ESC or the escape. Number 3 is the function keys. The function keys are used to perform specific tasks. They are labeled as F1, F2, F3, and so on up to F12. The functionality of these keys differs from program to program. Number 4 is the navigation keys. These keys are used for moving around in documents or web pages and editing text. They include the arrow keys, home, end, page up, page down, delete, and insert. The last one is the numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is handy for entering numbers quickly. The keys are grouped together in a block like a conventional calculator or adding machine. However, I can't be able to show you guys the numeric keypad because my keyboard doesn't have this kind of keys. So now, let's talk about the different functions of each key. So since I don't have a mouse, I will just use the built-in touchpad. Eto. So ano nga ba itong touchpad? Touchpads are a common feature of laptop computers as an alternative to the mouse. Let's start on typing text first. In this case, meron na akong pinaste dito na text. Ayan. So, whenever we need to type something in a program, email message, or text box, you'll see a blinking vertical line called the cursor or insertion point. So, ayan po siya. Ayan yung nagbi-blink-blink. It shows where the text that you type will begin. You can move the cursor by clicking the desired location with the mouse or by using the navigation keys. So, halimbawa, gusto nating i-move etong cursor dito to the left. So, gagamitin natin itong left arrow. So, as you can see, gumagalaw po yan to the left. So, kung to the right naman, of course, we need to use the right arrow. Ayan. Ayan. To the right naman po yung movement niya. In addition to letters, numerals, punctuation marks, and symbols, the typing keys also include Shift, Caps Lock, Tab, Enter, the space bar, and the Backspace.
Let's move on to the keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are ways to perform actions by using your keyboard. They're called shortcuts because they enable you to work more quickly. In fact, almost any action or command you can perform with a mouse can be performed faster using one or more keys on your keyboard.
Press Shift in combination with a letter to type an uppercase letter. So, example, etong school, since naka-lowercase siya, gawin natin siyang uppercase by using the Shift button. Okay. In combination with letter S. So, as you can see, malaki na siyang letter. Naka-uppercase na siya, unlike kaninang naka-lowercase. Kung gusto naman natin uppercase lahat ng letter na itatype natin, just press Caps Lock. Caps Lock, then try natin mag-type ng Mayumi. Yan, as you can see, lahat siya naka-uppercase letter. Para na ma-lay off yung function niya, just press once again para bumalik siya sa lowercase letter. Ayan. Saka lowercase na siya. Press tab to move the cursor several spaces forward. Like for example, pag gumagawa tayo ng essay, kailangan naka-indent yung first sentence. So, in order to do that, press tab. So, as you can see, naka-indent na siya. Ayan. Press enter to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Halimbawa, gagawa tayo ng another paragraph. So, press lang natin tong enter para ano tayo ng another paragraph. Ayan. So, pwede ka nang gumawa ng another paragraph. Ayan. Ayan. Ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Press the space bar to move the cursor one space forward. Halimbawa po, dito. Ayan, as stated, hindi po sila magkahiwalay yung phrase na as stated. So, in order for us to separate the words, you have to press the space bar. So, ayun na po siya. Press backspace to delete the character before the cursor or the selected text. Halimbawa po, gusto nating i-delete itong word na countries. So, in order for us to do that, we have to press backspace. Just make sure lang po na itong cursor is nakalagay po dito at the end of the word countries. So, backspace lang po para ma-delete. Yan, wala na po. Kung gusto nyo naman pong mas mapadali yung pag-delete, i-ano nyo lang po yung press nyo lang, double tap nyo lang po to doon sa simula ng word na yun na gusto nyong i-delete. Then, ayan, naka-highlight na po siya sa selected text na po. And then, backspace ulit. Ayan, mas madali po yung pag-delete. In order for us to open the start menu, we have to press the Windows logo key. Ito po yun. Then, pag pinindot po natin to, may lalabas din sa gilid. Ayan po yung tinatawag na start menu. Ayan po. Alt plus tab naman po kapag gusto nating mag-switch between open programs or windows. Like for example, switch. Ayan po. Nag-switch na po siya. Alt plus F4 naman po kapag gusto nating mag-exit. I-exit yung active program. So, ito po, in-open ko po yung PowerPoint. So, in order for me to exit this program, I have to press the Alt key and the F4 para hindi na po gumamit na itong cursor na to, yung itong arrow na to, papunta rito sa X. So, mas madali po kung ipindutin ko na lang po itong Alt and F4. Yan, naka-exit na po siya. Kapag magka-copy naman po tayo ng selected text, kailangan lang po natin pindutan yung Ctrl plus C. So, halimbawa po, eto, yung first sentence, gusto ko po siyang i-copy dito sa baba. Dito. So, isa-select ko lang po siya. Hanggang dito. Yan po yung first sentence. Then, Ctrl C. So, kailangan ko lang po siyang i-paste dito. Para naman po sa pag-paste, kailangan ko lang pong i-press itong Ctrl plus V para ma-paste ko po yung kinapi ko na text. Ctrl V. Ayan, na-copy na po siya. Na-paste na po pala. Ayan, naka-paste na po siya dyan sa baba. Kapag magkakat naman po tayo, kailangan lang po natin i-press yung Ctrl plus X. So, halimbawa, gusto ko po ulit na i-cut itong pinaste ko kanina. Ito. So, press Ctrl X. Yan. Wala na po siya. Halimbawa naman po kung gusto kong i-delete lahat ng yung paragraph na to, pipindutin lang po yung Ctrl plus A para ma-select all ko po. Ctrl plus A and then yan, backspace para ma-delete. Para naman po ma-recover mo or ma-undo yung action na ginawa mo, yung pag-delete, Control plus Z naman po yung undo. So, pindutin natin. Control plus Z. Ayan, bumalik po siya, bumalik yung text na dinelete ko. Pressing the Windows logo key plus the F1 will display Windows help and support. So, let's try. Windows logo key, eto. And then plus F1, eto. Ayan, may lumabas po yung Windows help and support.